everyone, welcome back to ELPA, English Language Path Academy. I'm Natasha, and I'm so happy you're here. Today, I'd like to take you to my little vegetable garden. We'll learn the names of many vegetables in English, while I show you how I grow and take care of them. By the end of this lesson, you'll know lots of useful vocabulary that you can use in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. I started my vegetable garden about a year ago. At first, I didn't know much about gardening, but I wanted to try something new. I bought a few seeds, prepared the soil, and hoped that my plants would grow well. Every morning before work, I spend a few minutes in my garden. I water the plants, remove the weeds, and check if everything is growing healthy. It has become one of my favorite parts of the day because it helps me feel calm and relaxed. Today, I'd like to show you some of the vegetables that I grow. These are tomatoes. They start out green, but when they are ripe, they turn bright red. I love using fresh tomatoes in salads and sandwiches. Next, we have cucumbers. They grow quickly and taste fresh and crunchy. On hot days, I enjoy adding cucumber slices to my water or making a simple salad. Over here are my long beans. They grow on tall vines, so I built a small support for them to climb. It's always exciting to see how long they become before it's time to harvest them. These are carrots. Even though we can't see them growing underground, it's always a fun surprise when I pull them out of the soil. Fresh carrots are sweet and perfect for soups or stir-fries. Here is my spinach. The leaves are soft and green, and they're full of nutrients. I usually harvest the younger leaves because they taste more tender. Next to the spinach is my cauliflower. It takes a little longer to grow, but it's worth the wait. I like steaming it or adding it to vegetable soup. I also grow broccoli. It needs plenty of sunshine and water. When it's ready, the green heads become large and firm. Oh, look! These shiny purple vegetables are eggplants. I enjoy cooking them with garlic and soy sauce because they become soft and full of flavor. Here are some bell peppers. I grow red, yellow, and green ones. They add beautiful colors to many different dishes. And finally, these are my chili peppers. They may look small, but they're very spicy. I only use a little when I cook because they're much hotter than they look. Looking around my garden always makes me smile. Every vegetable grows at its own pace, and taking care of them has taught me to be patient. Watching tiny seeds become healthy plants is one of the most rewarding experiences. After harvesting the vegetables, I wash them carefully and prepare a simple meal. Cooking with fresh vegetables from my own garden always tastes special because I know how much time and care went into growing them. Gardening has become more than just a hobby for me. It helps me relax, spend time outdoors, and enjoy fresh, healthy food. Even after a busy day at work, a few minutes in the garden always make me feel refreshed. What about you? Do you enjoy gardening? If you do, what vegetables or plants do you grow? If not, which vegetable would you like to grow someday? I'd love to read your answers in the comments. Tomato. Tomato. Tomato is soft, round fruit that is often used as a vegetable in cooking. It starts out green and turns bright red when it is ripe. Tomatoes are commonly used in salads, sandwiches, pasta, soups, sauces, and many other dishes. Long beans. Long beans. Long beans is long, thin green vegetables that grow on climbing vines. They are longer than regular green beans and have a slightly crunchy texture. Did you know? Long beans can grow up to 30 to 60 centimeters long if they are left on the vine. Spinach. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is rich in vitamins and often used in salads, soups, or cooked dishes. Did you know? Spinach grows quickly and can be harvested several times from the same plant. Carrot. Carrot. Carrot is a long orange root vegetable that grows underground and has a naturally sweet taste. Did you know? Although carrots are usually orange, they can also be purple, yellow, red, or white. Broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli is a green vegetable with a thick stem and many small flower buds. Broccoli is often steamed, stir-fried, roasted, or added to soups and pasta dishes. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a white vegetable with a round head made up of many small flower buds. Cauliflower can be steamed, roasted, mashed, or added to soups and curries. Eggplant. Eggplant. Eggplant is a purple vegetable with smooth skin and soft flesh. Eggplant is delicious when grilled, fried, baked, or cooked with garlic and soy sauce. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. Bell pepper is a sweet, colorful vegetable that can be red, yellow, orange, or green. Did you know? Green bell peppers are picked earlier, while red, yellow, and orange bell peppers are left on the plant longer to become sweeter. Chili pepper. Chili pepper. Chili pepper is a small spicy pepper that is used to add heat and flavor to food. Did you know? Some chili peppers are mild while others are extremely spicy. Their heat level depends on the variety. Cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumber is a long green vegetable with a fresh, mild, and crunchy taste. It is often eaten raw and is very refreshing. Cucumbers are commonly used in salads, sandwiches, sushi, or infused water. Many people also enjoy them as a healthy snack. Seed. Seed. Seed is a small object that grows into a plant. I planted tomato seeds last week. Soil. Soil. Soil is the earth where plants grow. Healthy soil helps vegetables grow well. Water the plants. Water the plants. Water the plants is to give plants water. I water my garden every morning. Harvest. Harvest. Harvest is to pick vegetables or fruit when they are ready. Today, I harvested fresh cucumbers. Weed. Weed. Weed is a wild plant that grows where it isn't wanted. I remove the weeds every weekend. Garden bed. Garden bed. Garden bed is an area where vegetables are planted. I planted carrots in the new garden bed. Gardening. Gardening. Gardening is the activity of growing and taking care of plants. Gardening is my favorite hobby. Every morning before work, I spend a few minutes in my garden. Every morning before work, I spend a few minutes in my garden. I water the plants and remove the weeds. I water the plants and remove the weeds. It has become one of my favorite parts of the day. It has become one of my favorite parts of the day. These tomatoes are ripe and ready to harvest. These tomatoes are ripe and ready to harvest. I love using fresh tomatoes in salads and sandwiches. I love using fresh tomatoes in salads and sandwiches. Cucumbers taste fresh and crunchy. Cucumbers taste fresh and crunchy. My long beans grow on tall vines. My long beans grow on tall vines. Fresh carrots are sweet and perfect for soups. Fresh carrots are sweet and perfect for soups. I usually harvest the younger spinach leaves. I usually harvest the younger spinach leaves. Broccoli needs plenty of sunshine and water. Broccoli needs plenty of sunshine and water. I grow red, yellow, and green bell peppers. I grow red, yellow, and green bell peppers. I only use a little chili pepper because it is very spicy. I only use a little chili pepper because it is very spicy. Taking care of my garden has taught me to be patient. Taking care of my garden has taught me to be patient. Cooking with fresh vegetables always tastes special. Cooking with fresh vegetables always tastes special. Gardening helps me relax after a busy day. Gardening helps me relax after a busy day. Question 1. What did Natasha do every morning before work? The answer is B. She watered the plants and removed the weeds. Number 2. Which vegetable grows on tall vines? The answer is C. Long beans. Number 3. According to Natasha, why does she enjoy gardening? The answer is A. Because it helps her relax and enjoy fresh vegetables. Question number 4. Can you name this vegetable? Yeah, the answer is B. Cauliflower. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope you learned some new English words and had fun practicing with me. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ELPA, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next English lesson. I'm Natasha, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.